Hi, this is Gabilito, and you know what it is, bruh. Today, nasa aking harapan niya yan. Walang iba kundi si DC Spin Master Selina Kyle from 2022, the Batman movie. Ooh, wait! Grabe, parang parang naalikabok na sa akin. 1 year na rin nasa akin to. Anyways, this is the time for you to get out of the box and see your glory. Okay, as you can see, yan yung price tag. Tinanggal ko na. Yan, mukha tuloy smudge sa kanyang plastic part. And then, Batman logo, Spin Master. Medyo na yung card niya. Art. Wait. Sino nga ba si Selina Kyle? Selina Kyle, aka Catwoman, is a character appearing in an American comic books published by DC Comics, created by Bill Finger and Bob Kane. She debuted as the Cat in the Batman #1. Okay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's cast her loose. And here she is out of the packaging. Oh my god! I mean, come on. Ilan na ba ito? Pang-apat na female figure ko. Oh my god, the detail. Her belt buckle sa face sculpt paint. Wow, very surprising. It looks good. Hindi naman siya mukhang banlag na. Anyways, likod. Wow, detail sa kanyang costume. All black it is. Yan, sa kanyang boots. Wow, takong. Very nice. Likod. It is a solid figure. My god, I'm surprised. Okay, articulation. Let's go. So first off, ulo. Medyo nung ginalaw ko yung ulo kanina medyo kinabahan ako anyways. Umikot naman siya, kaso bumabalik. Ayun ba yung gimmick niya? Sa kabila. Parang ayokong pilitin Okay, sa balikat, umikot naman. Okay. Siko. Medyo lang yung siko. Matigas din. Ganon din sa kabila. Yay. Ingat lang din kasi nipis niya. Kanyang spread. Yun. Split. Catwoman can do that. And she is perfect. Tie cut. Umiikot. Yun. Importante tie cut. Okay then. Kahit single jointed knees. Ay, hindi makita. Single jointed knees. Yan din sa kabila. And walang ankle rocker or pivot. Overall, I do like this figure. And sa trio, kompleto ko na. Yan, siya yung pangatlo. Or si Penguin. Ito ang mga kanyang kasamang sa line. Figure reviews. Go check them out. Yeah. That's Selina Kyle. Galangan ako sa ulo talaga. The plush to. Accessories. Let's go. Okay, with the accessories, ito, unang-una kanyang gloves, kanyang whip, kanyang karambit, at itong card. What is this? A mystery card. Okay, so unahin muna natin itong card. Ooh, ano kaya ang misteryong tinatago ito? Want to see a magic trick? Lagyan natin to. Ayan na, as you can see, lines, although nakikita ay kita pala. Anyways, suot natin to sa kanyang kinalalagyan. Oy, yun Tapos makikita na natin ang big reveal. It's just her bike or Batman's bike. What is this? Side view ng bike and front and back. Anyways, yun lang. Wow, very amazing. The hell? Here she is. Hawak niya na ang kanyang suot niya na ang kanyang glove. Okay, luto na yung cake. Ay, this looks terrible. Hindi na pwedeng ipasok sa kamay. Hindi yung kailangan pang hawakan niya. It looks, I mean, come on. The heck? Anyways, ito naman ang kanyang whip and ang kanyang dagger or karambit. Wow, this looks more awesome looking compared to sa gloves na pang baking. Ayun What's up? Whoosh. Yun. Mas maangas ng dalawa. And this is a must keep. I like the look. I like to pose her with her battle accessories. Yeah. Awesome. Size comparison. Let's go. Here's Batman, Penguin, or Oswald, Kamen Rider, double my previous figure review, Superman, Mothmando, and from Robot War, Sentry. Overall, this figure is amazing. Saan makakabili ka mo? Hindi ko alam, baka sa Green Hills meron. Sa mall, wala na. Online, siguro, alam niyo na yan. A Catwoman figure. Almost. That's it for this one. Medyo maikli lang to. Figure review lang talaga. Or unboxing na rin. Salamat sa panonood. Hit like, subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you think about the figure and the movie. Nasa description ang mga figure review ng The Batman movie. Kayo nang bahala bumisita. Ano man, bisitahin nyo man. Panood mo. Hindi ko pa natapos yung The Penguin series eh. I think it's time. Ito muna sa ngayon and I'll see y'all on the next round. Ba't pa kasi ang tagal mo mag-upload? Ha? Busy lang, marami lang ganap sa buhay. Ito, nag-display pa ako. Share ko na ba? Share ko na rin, syempre. Ayun o. O, diba? Hindi akin yan, pero sige, diyan ko muna. Yun o. Ooh, wait! This big ass robot. Scar King. Meron pa doon! Kompleto na Spider-Man, kompleto ko na ang Spider-Man. Eto pa, andito. What the fuck were you? And who are you?